Yesterday, Infinix announced it would unveil the Note 50 series on March 3rd. The brand didn't divulge anything about the lineup other than saying it will come with Infinix AI. However, we've now learned from a reliable source that the Note 50 series, including the Note 50, will come with DeepSeek R1 integration. We are told that DeepSeek R1 will be baked into Infinix's Pholax voice assistant, which performed impressively during the internal testing. It handled searches and voice commands well and was noticeably faster at understanding requests. Infinix Note 50 users will be able to use DeepSeek R1's capabilities via Pholax by pressing the phone's power button or using voice to summon the AI assistant. Infinix will make an official announcement regarding this integration on February 26th, when we might also learn more about this integration and the Note 50 series.